All right, we're back to live. So let's get started with the topic today. Um, you're gonna be working in implementing what happens when OpenXR is not available. I'm gonna be starting from actually going. Where did I even put? I want to disable the OpenXR runtime. And how do I do that? I need to go to my app data, local meta something, and start by disabling the meta XR simulator. Let's get rid of this. So I can't run. Yeah, I need to change the execution policy first for this process. And I can now run the deactivate simulator. Run only once. Let's go for it. Cool. That should be all I need to do. And now it should. That's interesting. Shouldn't have happened at all. Yeah, let's try with an admin. Set execution policy and deactivate the runtime. And that should be it. Hopefully this time is gonna work. Cool. It failed, which is a good sign that we don't have any runtime. Okay, so let's get started from the system failed, and that is fine. What happened next is that this fails. That is alright. And it creates. What does it do? Let's try to debug this. Don't remember how it all goes from the beginning. So we try to create the XR, it fails, and then go through the classic creation. And something's not right. Oh yeah, of course. We don't have a physical device. So we need to find the physical device. And let's grab something from my Android Studio. Let's see. Yeah, this one should be old enough. Oh, what happened? Okay, so apparently every time something connects to ADB, this goes nuts. Camera locked. Okay. Nice. This isn't gonna work. Okay. Should be back. Yeah, I don't really want to debug this device, so I should have removed it from the pairing to ADB. Okay, let me try to navigate to where it creates the device. This should be a good starting point. Okay, this is using vulkan.hpp. So the naming will be a bit different. Vulkan.cpp is my best bet. So find device is actually what I'm looking for. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to enumerate the devices. Maybe I should create. Yeah, I should probably move the finding to find suitable device. Find a suitable device. What does it do? Does it create? It does create it, but it's not checking it. And all I need, to be honest, is just finding the physical device, because everything else we already have the device creation. So to find the physical device, we first need to enumerate. This is gonna give us VK physical device and stood vector of VK physical device. Physical devices, it's gonna be const equals to so yeah, and count equals 0 and from here we need the instance, so let's capture this, and by the way, run the lambda. It's going to be instance cool, retrieving the count, then you're going to need to instantiate the count. That's good. and run that again. Good. What's wrong? Oh, doesn't have a return? Yes. And that should be all I needed. Now should I do the filtering here? Physical devices. Let's try to do a how do we filter? The ranges. Now why would I filter? Okay, so we need all the okay, now that's one step more to do than for auto. Let's loop over all the physical devices that we have. Yo, bro. I'm gonna loop over all the physical devices that we have found, and I'm gonna get those properties from the device. VK device, VK physical device properties. Okay, VK get physical. What did I even type? Physical device properties. The old one is fine. This is gonna give me physical device properties. Okay. Okay, properties. And okay, this doesn't have a type struct. That's good. You got the physical device parameter and a reference to the properties. And once we get the properties, we need to get Q family properties. This is going to be a vector. So let's do the const Q family properties const. Oops. Q family properties is equal to VK get Q family properties and let's capture the physical device, this and the physical device. Physical device. Do I need this? Probably not. And the count. So UM32 count 0. Let's get the number of things that we need. allocate those, and we grab the data. No, that's alright. That's it. Yeah, why don't, yeah, this is probably the time we want to filter it. Stud ranges. Let's jump over to here. And there should be some places where I already did the filtering used the ranges. Don't remember which function I used. Probably find if. Transform, not contained. Transform, not really. Okay, I don't have any filtering, but I presume it's find if. Let's GPT it. Use the ranges to filter a vector of properties by some value. Use filter, okay. Okay, yeah. Views. Dude, use what? Oh, just stud views. Makes sense. Do I have not included it? It should have ranges, but maybe not. Yeah, probably not. So should be good now. Stud filter. And we want to filter the Q families. Range and predicate. Yeah, that should be fine. Grab a const. Auto. Yeah, let's just auto everything. Okay. That might be a bit too much. Q flags, okay. Q flags. P.Q flags and VK Q graphics bit. And return. I forgot the return. Is that valid? Yeah, result. to vector. Can I do that? Let's see. Y4. Okay, so we do the filter and then maybe like this. Let's return. Cool. Okay. That worked. What's wrong with this? Got rid of it. No. No, that was needed. And this needs to run. Okay. Just have to upgrade this to graphics flag bit. It's fine. Okay, let's just skip graphics for now. Should only have one physical device anyway. The Q is going to be graphics, and so yeah, and also support present. Okay, I guess this is gonna get a bit more complicated. It has graphics, and we want to run get surface support. VK physical device support. And again, physical device. Gonna need to pass it over. Oh wait, the Q family index. This isn't gonna work. We don't have the current index. Damn. Okay, roll it back, and let's split this in two phases. We got the Q families, and 4. Come on. We're going to go across all the family properties and pick the family index that supports. Family properties, physical device. Okay, and the one that's the family Q. Okay, the Q family index. Support present. No, that's wrong. Wrong. VK. Get surface. Surface support. Okay. And that's physical device. The family index. Oh wait, the surface. We don't have a surface. Yeah, right. We don't have a surface. Okay, so that's something. Need to create a surface. And that's some job that needs to be done in the platform. I think I've already started setting up something in the platform for Windows. So platform's gonna have a window type. Maybe surface is more appropriate. So how do we want to get this done? Let's do create and get platform. Okay. Is going to be a no discard virtual stood optional. We don't need stood optional. Whoop. Shared pointer to a surface. Yeah, let's go. Notifications, please. Surface. And we do a create surface. to be implemented. Or maybe not. Okay, we got the base implementation. Now, generate this guy here, and it's gonna be a surface. A Win32 surface. That's gonna derive a surface. Have we got anything? Yeah, we need some Windows stuff. Whoa, what is that? How did you decide this was what I wanted to include? Actually, what if CPP win RT? What if I created it with CPP win RT? Do I create a window? Might be a bit easier. Did you get it right? C++ doesn't wrap classic window. What? Win UI3, okay. That's not very nice. No thanks. Let's proceed with the classical. Classic Windows.h. Define win linear mean. If that's gonna make anything better. Do I even need this to be in here? Not really. All I need is a create function. Yeah, let's do default for now. And it's gonna be virtual, of course. Yeah, sure. What's wrong with this? Yeah, can you show me one thing at a time? That's not what I meant. Okay. No, this one. Cool. And let's do this. Create. Yeah, this is pretty classical stuff. Boom. You don't need any fancy window proc. Hey, this doesn't even exist. Where should I even? Where should I keep the window proc? That's going out. Is it going out? Not sure, to be honest. Let's const all the thing. What's wrong now? Oh yeah, weird types. And everything else is by value. Switch with only one case. Use an if statement. What do you want? What do you want from my life? What do you want from my life? Leave me alone. Okay. We got the window procedure. Oh, instance. There should be get module handle. Get module handle, and whatever. It's gonna be null. Else LPC str. Hey, what's wrong? Current bitrate is not good enough. That should be good enough. Come on. You don't like null? Yeah, me neither. Okay. Oh, can't do this. GPT. Why not? What's wrong? Const char 9. Char. But this is weird. Why is it doing because this is not falling back to the Unicode types. Okay. My WinRT window class. What should window X? Okay, this is doing the A things. How do I force it not to do that? Let's go to the definition. So Unicode is not defined. And how do you define that? Why is it even not defined? Why is Unicode not defined? My CMake project Visual Studio projects have those define. Let's see. Okay, fair enough. Only to my target. Oh. Yeah, let's do it globally. I think that's a sensible thing to do. I don't have anything else set globally. Is this gonna break anything? That's gonna break lots of things, I guess. Well, I hope not. I don't have so many libraries after all. But it is gonna trigger full recompile. So back to my Unicode. Okay, now it should be all good. We still don't have the instance. Let's grab one from here. Let's do it once. I've never understood the use of this fetch instance. Nice. What is that? Just return. Just return false. And this is the worst. Hello. No, that's ugly. Hello, choppy engine. Can't qualify type. What? I don't really understand this. Hey. Can't qualified. Resulting in time. Instead of and what's wrong with that? What was the name of this? Yes, SW, show window. Windows has this weird naming patterns where macros starts with camel case letters. Sometimes, not always. We need that window handle. Cool. And this should be all I needed to do. Create window. No, I actually haven't created the surface. So this is not a surface. This is a window. Yeah, this is definitely not a surface. To make it a surface, I would need don't want to have a dependency between platform and Vulkan. That wouldn't make any sense because the Vulkan module probably has Yeah, it has a reference to the platform. Platform should not have that back. It's gonna make life harder. Okay. So, should I keep surface? Got the window. No, I'm gonna rename it. Don't like surface because surface is a Vulkan concept. Go. And this is back to Win32 window. Oh boy, I'm so far away from my goal today. I need to go a bit faster. Does it still compile? Oh, it's gonna recompile everything. Oh no, it fails. Where did it fail? Okay, that's just minor. Oh yeah, I left this incomplete. I don't need you anymore. Yeah, the surface. The surface, it needs to be passed. So when I create a Vulkan context, I need a window. So that's gonna be passed over here. No, not a vector. Oh shit. Vector. Shared pointer of what? CE. How did I call it? Platform. Is it platform window? Okay, I'm breaking the autocomplete now. Platform. Yeah, platform window. Platform window. Okay, because I did not include it. So I probably included it somewhere. What is this? Namespace, platform, what? That's not what I meant. Just platform. And that should be included in platform. And reference to that window. Window, okay. Got the window. And okay, got the window. How do we deal with the window? Share it of window. Well, this is what? The window should create a surface. Well, that's a bit of an oddity, this point. How does it create a surface? Can't create a surface if it doesn't know about the surface. I guess we need to do some ugliness in here. That's fine, as long as it is here. Because Vulkan doesn't have bindings to the platforms. If def E32 we will have to deal with Android at some point. Else, yeah, what do you do else? Just return login error, Android Windows not implemented yet. Smiley face. And return false. Now, on the other hand, we want the window handle. And the window handle is going to be something ugly. Virtual. Something very ugly. Handle. Or maybe not. No, actually, yes. Yeah, and it also needs to be no discard. Getting there. I'm getting there. Window. Handle. Override. And just return. It is marked. Oh yeah, yeah, I have to do it here as well. Cool. This can be const expr. No, it can't be const expr, but it can be const. Let's const all the things. Yep. Yes. Oops. Nice. Register class can also fail, I guess. I'm not sure what this returns. How does it fail? Who knows? Register class. What's the return value of register class? Give me a guest mode. Register class. This is probably kind of easy to find. So register class is an atom, whatever that is. Returns value is 0. If the fails, return value is 0. If fails is 0. So, okay. So if it fails, if it's 0, it fails. I guess. then it should play nicely with log error. It's not defined. It should be defined. Not now. I guess I will have a stream to just logging because we need a proper way of logging. Can't live with this all over the places. So we're just gonna return false. Add some proper logging, please. And that's gonna be a to do at some point. Yeah, I'm planning to add some tracing, logging, and all of those very nice things to have. So back to not the XR, to the Vulkan. I'm gonna close one of those. Close, 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 close. No, I needed that. Oh, whatever. I can still open them whenever you want. What now? So I need to create the surface, right? So the surface happens here at some point. Surface. This already got the surface. Where did you get it? Just where did you get the surface? Create device, find device. Okay, so this is a surface. I'm gonna need Win32 surface. Did I even add Kronos surface, Win32 surface? Okay, that should be good to go. So that being said, I'm gonna need to VK Win32 surface create info. VK Win32 surface create info. Surface info. Actually, before I move on, just realized that some of these structs need to be initialized properly. This doesn't, because it's a handle to an object. These probably do. Get properties. No, this doesn't have a type, but family properties. Okay, this also doesn't have a type. Okay, good to go. Sometimes you need to initialize because they have extensions. Declaration of style hides previous physical devices. The devices. Okay, so many interruptions. Dot complete. Let's see what we need. Please help me. Not that. Surface face create info. But Win32. So Win32. VK, yeah. This guy. We don't need a next. Do we need flags? Help me, bro. Not really. Just the window. Don't even know what flags are. Flags, nothing. There are no flags. Good. Remove that. Oh, instance. That instance again. Get instance. Platform.get. Let's see. Get platform. Get instance. Well, maybe we don't have to do that. So this ugly thing doesn't need to be done. Instead, we can just have it cast. So this is gonna be HWND, and that's it. No override. And the instance might come from here. Get platform. Instance. Platform. Window. Okay, we have a Win32 platform. Get surface to be renamed. Get window. Create window. And now discard edge instance. Edge instance. So platform.get edge instance. That's gonna be no except const, and it's gonna return get module handle, just normal. Okay, we have a single point edge instance. Oh, that's I don't like that. Skip edge instance. Okay, turn that. Can I even use it in the window creation? Instead, I'm gonna do platform get platform. Okay. Should be able to see the get platform. Oh, the globals. Yeah, let's not over-engineer this. Roll back and instead focus on global last there. Platform. I get platform. So get platform platform window. And this is gonna return a reference. Okay. Auto ref platform win32. Oh, let's just call it win32. It's gonna be win32 dot, wait, what? Win32 platform. Where's the instance? Win32. Why? Why do you keep doing dumb things? So that is not a window. So Win32 is not a window, but it's platform window. It's just Win32. CE platform Win32 CE. No, stop it. Okay, something is missing, and that is the if def. Yeah, if def Win32. You're gonna need import ce.platform.win32 and f elif def Android import c.platform Android. Okay, platform Win32, nice. Win32.instance, finally. And auto ref WND, the window. Win32 window. Win-win. Could call it win-win. It's going to be just a cast. No, just a static pointer cast to platform Win32 window. Okay, Win32 window. Let's cast window. And this can't be a reference. Needs to be a copy. Nice. And Win32 window dot. It's a pointer handle. Nice. Handle. Let's rename handle to HWND. What are you doing? What? No. No, what is this? What? No. don't do that. Okay. I think we got all I needed. And that can be a const. Must be a const. And now we can do a vk create Win32 surface finally. Oh, again. No, this is the Vulkan instance. Do we have a Vulkan? Oh, yeah, we are in Vulkan. Now the surface info. Vulkan allocation, nothing. And the surface. Oh, wait. Why is this saying error? Oh, I'm doing pretty bad. I need to lower down. This. Okay, I'm lowering down the bitrate of the video. My connection can't keep up with it. Okay, cool. And the return surface. Need to save the surface somewhere. So VK surface, let's find a spot for it. Here are the cool guys. VK surface. Surface. And pass it over to the function call. Let's do a check if const vk result has no success, failed, and return. I love logging autocomplete. Well, we got surface finally. So, do you support this surface? Good question. Bool supported. Support present. Supports present. Well, it's not present, but it supports surface. Okay. And not const. Can't be const, can it? Hey, what's wrong? Supports. It's VK bool 32, okay. VK bool 32. We haven't checked any error. See. Just gonna throw any error. Yep, that's VK result right there. So let's do the usual drill. Const VK result equals 2. Too long. Gonna break it down here. Result success. Give me the log, please. Okay. The failed to get all support. Okay, good. And that's it. Wait, should I do that? No. Oh yeah, that's right, because we're not checking the support itself, just a function call. Cool. All right, so we have everything, I think. So once we get the family queue, I guess we need to save the family queue. And that's the last bit that I really needed. Family queue. This needs to be saved as queue family index is gonna be I. But only if it's supported. We pick the first family queue. Do we need anything else to check? Find if okay. Supports present and supports enumerate device extension properties. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So the first guy that supports, if support surface, there we go. We have it. That's the family queue, and our physical device is going to be physical device. Good. And create device. Does it compile? It's been a long run so far, but it doesn't compile. Nice. Of course, you need to return it. What did you think? This can be made static. Oh, my coffee is ice cold now. Alright, more errors. What's wrong? Function does not take. Oh, yeah, of course. Of course. Create window is still empty. Nice. Window context. Yeah, window context. Let's say that we have a shared pointer to platform window, Win32 window. I want a Win32 window. Yeah, of course, I need to import it. Import c.platform Win32. So platform ce.platform again. Okay. Window. Thank you. My nose is clogged. And that is initialized null pointer. I guess that. I hope that is obvious. If how do we if this? Can I just no, actually, we have the function to create a window. Bool create window. Okay, and this is no except window equals 2. Is it? Do I have to go through the wait. Create window. Create window. It just allocates window, right? No, doesn't. Yeah, let's just make it. Make shared. See platform Win32 window. Yeah, no need to go. Create window, and that's going to be window. Well, if that is there's no reason why it wouldn't allocate it. That create and turn that. As easy as that. If we're running out of memory, that's bad. That would be really bad. I'm not checking all the allocations though. So I should, right? Create window. If not, create window. And or you don't need to end. This shouldn't be executed. Create window. Nice. At least we should get rid of all the errors now. What is wrong with you? Create window. Well, that is defined. Platform Win32. Oh, but it's not defined in the platform. Create window. Oh, come on, that's easy. Return. New one. No brainer. Okay. That's actually do that way. See platform. Create window. Get platform. Create window. See platform. Import. See platform. Get platform. Create window. Up base platform should be defined auto reference to Win32. What is wrong? Platform get platform. Global import create plat. I can't type today. Globals. I don't like this way. Like this. Lovely. Win32. Should I have this const? Create. Hey. Win32 create window. But it's create window. Static pointer cast. See platform Win32. Nice. That was a lot of work for little gain. You can do it. You can build this thing. I'm pretty sure I have eliminated all the errors. So, does it run? That's the big question. I'm gonna run it. Yeah, let's run this. Run. I don't even want to debug it. Oh, it's running. It's running. That's amazing. It's amazing. We got a window, but failed to initialize that. That's fine. We don't give a damn. Cool. We have a window. It is initialized. Vulkan found a device. What? Why are you using the integrated? Why? How do I stop it from doing that now? Well, how? How should I stop? I might need to filter out the devices that actually support all the things that I need. But right now, I don't have a streamlined way of passing all the requirements. So the requirements for the OpenXR are definitely not getting involved in the creation of the Vulkan by itself. So in Vulkan, in OpenXR, sorry, yeah, this file is getting huge. We have all of the required extensions, and these I feel like I could move the logic to find them somewhere else, but anyway, it's not crashing, it's not failing, it's just running. We got the main loop, close it, the process is over, everyone is happy, I am happy with it. Let's go and open in Explorer. Let's go push all the things directly to main. I've got some old work as well. Platform, window, XR stuff, Unicode. Okay. What is this? Oh yeah. Init resource. I didn't commit that. Just some pipeline barriers to make the MSA images ready for rendering. Okay, cool. Create Win32 surface for non-XR rendering mode. Cool. Do I need to do the same for Android? At some point, because I don't have a device to test on. My phone is being used to stream the webcam. So let's go back to the initialization here. We got the Vulkan to create on this window, on this surface. Presumably we have a device. It should not fail at the end. Failed to initialize Vulkan. And why does that happen later? It finds device. Failed to initialize using Vulkan. Okay, let me check what happens here. That's failing. That's fine. But this is also failing, which is not fine. Failed to initialize Vulkan. We got it's failing in an unknown. So create window should return true. Step into create window. It doesn't fail because, well, we have the window, right? And then step into the Vulkan creation. We have the instance, that's good. We create the surface, easy. We enumerate all the things. Okay, first a try. First physical device is the right one. Properties. This should be the NVIDIA. Why is it not using this? Device type. Cool. Yeah, I should probably filter by device type as well. Device type. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't break. That's why. Break it here. And see you there. And unbreak it here. Stop breaking here. We got a physical device. It's I don't see the output. It is what it is. The properties. Okay, physical device properties. We have the name now. No, we don't have the name, but still that one. Break. Okay, should break for everything. Physical device. Bool found Q. And if found, if found a Q family break. Well, let's also log an info that says found device Q family index number. And the name is going to be properties dot device name Q family index. That's it. Found. Can't type today. Good. That should lead us to the next stage. Okay. Vulkan properties device name. Okay, this is the right one now. Nice. Has graphics. Oh wait. It's doing it here. No need to do it again. Okay. Yeah, no need to do it again. No, it didn't change, so is it gonna create a device? No, it does. Got the Q. Nice. And that's all. So if it okay. Yeah, wrong. Wrong check. So if it creates a window end and creates context, then we're good to go. Okay. Nice. It's moving forward. It's not gonna create any of those things. So the app initialization, which it should not do the OpenXR things. So the app init create a session, create a swap chain. Okay, next is going to be the creation of the swap chain. vk create create command buffer fences swap chain. Just regular swap chain. I think there was something like that. Might have removed it. Exec create fence, create command buffer. See where can I put it? Create device. Let me get rid of the finding the Q family, and before I forget, p dot Q family. Oh yeah, properties device type. Okay, if it's not, let's skip it. Well, actually, let's put it on the to-do list. Fallback to integrated. Physical devices. Yeah, maybe this is where we want to have the filtering. Yeah, actually, let's do it. Devices, and filter it by device type. So give me only those. Auto discrete. So these are discrete devices. Discrete devices if this discrete, how do you write discrete? Discrete devices discrete devices are not empty. Then return the discrete devices. Yeah, what are you doing? Oh, come on, Chichi. Hey, can you leave me finish?
No.
So return. I have some squiggly red lines. You see?
Yes.
Otherwise, return all the devices to vector. Okay. That's it. Why? Why is it grayed out? So if it's not empty, is this not supposed to be empty? Redundant. Oh, okay. Okay, so you telling me that I could, I could put all of this in an if init statement, but that's gonna make it unreadable.
Who are you talking? Daddy, who are you talking?
I'm just dreaming with some people that are.
You're dreaming?
Yeah, some people that might be watching. Okay, so this should make this redundant. Oof. What's wrong with it? So filter devices. Oh no, these are physical devices. So I have to grab the properties first. Okay, this might be make things a bit different. So the property, so this is device. That device. And what are properties? Okay. Auto is not helping much here, so I'm going to replace it. Nice. Let's see. And oh, still some red. Okay, this isn't defined. Cool. Back to square zero. It's time to define it. Create a swap chain. So what do I need to create that swap chain?
Failed.
No. Just a little error. Return. Let's pretend we have done it successfully. This is taking too long.
Don't fail.
So what?
Don't fail.
Okay. So back to the win main. At this point, we can also check if this succeeds, and if it doesn't succeed, we log an error. Yeah, there are no logs here. Failed to create swap chain. Thanks. And return false. What happened? Q family got failed to initialize. Why? Why did it fail again? Okay. This is going nice. We got the physical device. Q index is 0. Okay, that is also done. Everything is alright. Ah, that was not expected. So why did nobody warn me about this? And yeah, a bitwise, and it's not what I meant. Okay, but still. And this returns true. So what's the problem? Okay, we're using Vulkan. Okay, so that's it. Using Vulkan. Initialize. Okay, it's failing. Oh, it's failing because it doesn't have something. Allocate. It doesn't have a command pool. Yeah. Immediate command pool. It doesn't have all the things that it needs. Create from. Create Vulkan objects. Yeah, so let's say Vulkan. Create Vulkan objects. I can move this stuff to this function to be reused. Wait, what? And that's not what I meant to put. Okay, makes sense now. And create Vulkan objects. Create device. Queues. We have reached the 2 hours. I guess we can call it a day. We have done some pretty good progress. Create Vulkan objects. So this should create all the things that are missing. Nice. Okay. Just breaking into those OpenXR functions, and that's good. Okay, barriers. Okay, because it doesn't have swap chain, so I can't do that. Nice. How did it even do this? Yeah. Okay, that's good. Second part next time.